This place is, ever since before I even came to New Zealand, been right up there on my bucket list as a piece of the world that I wanted to experience. And now I'm here in my own kayak with all the toys. So here we are, launched out in my kayak on Milford Sound. And there's been a fresh fall of snow all along the mountain tops of the fjords. How about that? It's going to be a nice, flat, calm, bright, sunny day today. And I'm keen to get in for a dive. Got all my diving gear in my makeshift diving case, aka a guitar bag, including my spear gun. I'm so excited to get going. This place is, ever since before I even came to New Zealand, been right up there on my bucket list as a piece of the world that I wanted to experience. And now I'm here in my own kayak with all the toys. So bring it on, absolutely buzzing. Right, so I'm just paddling out into the main area of Milford Sound, and I'm, wow, shit, woo! There we go. Wow. Oh man, they're coming right under the boat. They're going to scare the shit out of me any moment by just surfacing right behind the boat. Wow. Here we go. Right under the kayak. They're so playful. This country is a gift that just keeps on giving. Amazing. One of Milford's resident seals. Afternoon, mate. Just about to go for the first dive in Milford Sound, and I can't wait. The sun's just come up on the other side of the fjord, and it's going to beautifully light up this whole side that I'm going to be diving along the marginal shelf. And the water's gin clear, so this is probably going to be one of the most epic dives that I've done in New Zealand to date. Can't wait. Right, so I've just been down for the first dive, and it's unbelievable. The visibility must be about 20 meters today, and there's so much life down there. I've seen about 5 different species of fish, and some of them are bloody enormous. I think there's grouper, I've seen blue cod for definite, I've seen quite a few sea perch, I've seen lots of wrasse. There's even stuff down there that I don't even know what it is, but it's just bloody awesome. It's such a diverse marine environment. So I'm taking the GoPro down with me, and I'm going to try and get some underwater footage in the act. Right, so I've come quite a long way down Milford Sound now, and I've found a really sexy little cove to moor up the kayak, drag it up onto some rocks just here, and there's some really sweet looking diving territory all around this cove. Doesn't drop off too quickly, a lot of sort of rough rocky terrain at about sort of 3-4 meters deep, so I bet there's going to be at least a few crayfish knocking around, and probably, I'm hoping, a few power. That would be nice. So yeah, absolutely buzzing to get in. I've done it. My first ever rock lobster. Caught freediving in Milford Sound. He was about 6 meters down, and he was a bastard to pull out. He buried himself deep in a hole underneath a ledge of rock, and I had to pretty much stick my entire arm in there to get him, and even then he was holding on for dear life, but managed to wrestle him out, and he's going to be an awesome dinner tonight. And there's another one in the same hole, so I'm going to go down and see if I can get the pair. But yeah, that's what it's all about. So I didn't just finish with that first rock lobster, I've now got 3 of them. My legal bag limit. 1, 2, 3. What a mission. Man, they were just packed up in the holes underneath the rocks, just down there at about 5 or 6 meters deep, and man, you gotta really wrestle them to get them out, but it's a fucking lot of fun. Yeah, gonna eat like a king tonight, and I'll see if I can find some people to share a bit of it with as well, because I don't need 3 rock lobster just for me, so sharing is caring and all that. But yeah, what an unforgettable day at Milford Sound. So I'm just on my way back to shore with my 3 crayfish. Absolutely buzzing with how today went. Couldn't have gone any better. Saw dolphins from the get-go. Beautiful views, sunshine, atmosphere of the Fjordland, and some crayfish to take for dinner as well. The best diving I've ever done. So, absolute result. Milford Sound, thank you very much. As if this day couldn't get any better, the dolphins are back. Right under the kayak. Right, so to deal with the free rock lobster that I got from Milford Sound this afternoon, it's a bit too much to handle out the back of the camper van, so I've checked myself into a nice holiday park and managed to find a much bigger pan to fit the enormous size of these lobster, as I'm going to boil them up. Should last me for a few days of luxury dining.